today we're gonna go to a new place. It's a calming place. It's a nature-related place. The place which we love. Guess what? It's a bird sanctuary. We're gonna go to the bird sanctuary in Vellode. So let's go. I'm so excited. It's in another vlog video. We have entered the bird sanctuary. Let me show you. Here you can get your tickets. Bird ticket is for ₹25. Here they have painted the birds and their names on the walls. They have binoculars, but you should give 500 rupees for the advance and 50 rupees for the binoculars. The clarity is little bad. Best if you have binoculars, you can carry it and they'll give you advance back. They are providing facilities to the visitors like watchtower, benches and a nice walkway. It is better than the last time we came. It is fabulous. Here and there they have given the details of birds. So here is a viewing point, and can you hear the bird sounds and all? I just like it. It is so calming and relaxing. Now hear it. In this room, if you want, you can keep your things, but you can't stay here. They have decorated this room. It's very nice, right? Now only they are building a canteen. Hope you enjoyed this video. Bye friends. See you in the next video. Friends, give this video a big thumbs up, share and subscribe. Click the bell icon so you won't miss any of our new videos.